Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and welcome back to the channel where we cut through the noise and bring you honest, in-depth reviews of gear that actually matters on the course. Today, we're diving into something that's been making rounds with weekend players and walking enthusiasts alike, the Caddytek CaddyLite 11.5v3. With golf cart fees climbing and more of us choosing to stay active by walking, reliable push cart isn't just a luxury, it's a smart investment. Priced at $94, this model promises to balance affordability, durability, and course-ready functionality without weighing you down literally. Over the past few weeks, I've tested it across varied terrain, weather, and bag loads to see if it lives up to the hype. Is it built to last? Does it enhance your round? Or just add another piece of gear to manage? Stick around, we're breaking down every detail from storage layout to real-world performance, and giving you the full picture before you make the call. Alright, let's talk about the Caddytek CaddyLite 11.5v3, a lightweight, foldable golf push cart that's been a solid game day companion on my recent rounds. From the moment I unboxed it, I appreciated how straightforward everything was. There's no complicated setup or frustrating instructions to decode. Just snap on the wheels, adjust the handle to your height, and you're ready to roll. It's impressively light, which makes getting it in and out of the trunk a breeze, especially when I'm solo lugging my gear. And for someone who values convenience as much as performance, that ease of assembly and portability is a major win. The adjustable handle is a nice touch, too. I'm about 6 foot, and being able to set it to a comfortable pushing height means no hunching or awkward angles during an 18-hole walk. It's clear the design leans into simplicity without sacrificing function. On the course, this cart really earns its keep. The three-wheel design with EVA foam tires rolls smoothly over pavement, gravel, and even damp, bumpy cart paths. I've used it in both dry and light rain conditions, and it's handled the transitions between surfaces really well. The foot brake is intuitive and reliable, just a quick tap, and it locks solid, which is great when you're on a slope and don't want your bag doing a slow-motion escape act. The quad-fold frame makes collapsing it down incredibly quick. It goes from full-size to compact in under a minute. I've tossed it in the back of my SUV between rounds, and even with my oversized bag in tow, it didn't take up too much real estate. The fact that it's made from aluminum is a smart choice. It keeps the weight down while maintaining rigidity, so it doesn't feel flimsy when fully loaded with clubs, rangefinders, rain gear, and a couple of snacks. Now let's talk storage because I carry more than just clubs. The mesh net near the handle has become my go-to spot for quick access items. Phone, rangefinder, even my sunglasses when I pass under a tree line. I've actually balanced a water bottle there once or twice, though it's not ideal. Lucky there's a dedicated drink holder that's perfectly sized and secure. The umbrella holder is a thoughtful bonus, especially here in the Midwest, where pop-up storms are half the game. The fabric pouch at the base is roomy, great for tossing in a jacket or towel, but I'll be honest, it's got limitations. The opening is wide and the sides are shallow, so if you overpack it or turn too quickly, things can tumble out. I'd love to see a drawstring or zipper added in a future version to keep smaller items from escaping. Still, for everyday use, it's functional, and the overall storage layout shows the designers thought about real golfer habits. There's definitely a learning curve if you're used to pulling a cart instead of pushing one. I caught myself redirecting twice early on, but the difference in balance and control is noticeable. Pushing keeps your bag upright and centered, which means fewer awkward stumbles on slopes or narrow paths. The front will has a bit of independent movement, which helps with maneuverability, but it can flop inward if you're not careful. That said, it hasn't caused me any issues in practice, just something to be aware of when folding or loading it up. The hooks for securing the bag are solid. They haven't slipped or loosened mid-round, which gives me confidence that my expensive set of irons isn't going anywhere. And the foam grip on the handle adds a nice layer of comfort, especially on longer walks under the sun. Now, let's keep it real. No product is perfect, and this one has a couple of minor quirks worth mentioning. The scorecard holder is a little underwhelming. It's more of a shallow clip that doesn't hold tight. I lost my card on the second hole during a breezy round, so I ended up adding a small carabiner clip to keep it secure. Not a deal breaker, but definitely an easy fix. There's also some debate about durability among users. I haven't had any breakages in my 6 rounds with it, but I've seen reports of small parts failing with regular use. That's something to watch with long-term ownership, though for now, mine feels sturdy and well-built. Whether it holds up over years of weekly play, only time will tell. But for a sub-$100 investment, the value proposition is strong. I've already saved more in cart fees than I paid for this. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed with the Caddytek CaddyLite 11.5 V3. It's not flashy, but it's functional, lightweight, and built with practicality in mind. Whether you're a weekend warrior or starting to walk more rounds to save money and stay active, this push cart removes a lot of the friction. It makes carrying your bag feel effortless, lets you focus on your game, and folds up so easily that you'll actually want to use it. The few shortcomings, like the open storage pouch or flimsy card clip, are small and easily worked around. At $94, it's an absolute steal, and I can see how someone might say it paid for itself in just a few trips to the course. If you're on the fence about making the switch from renting or pulling a cart, I'd say give this one a shot. It's a solid upgrade that makes walking 18 holes not just manageable, but enjoyable. If you're ready to ditch the rental fees and upgrade your walk game, the Caddytek CaddyLite could be your best 9-time investment. Keep your clubs secure, your back happy, and your stride smooth. For more no-nonsense reviews that help you play smarter, hit like and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation rolling.